everyone! So today we are going to be learning how to turn kinetic energy from, say, like a tap into usable energy, much like the suit in the movie Black Panther. As we know, in the film Black Panther, there's a scene where the Black Panther is, being attacked. There's lots of things striking the suit, but it makes the suit start to glow, and then it can redirect all that energy back into the surrounding environment. Now, there's actually technology that makes this work in real life. But first, we need to start understanding kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is any kind of energy that is activated through a mass and a velocity. So as long as something has mass and is moving, it has kinetic energy. This is called a piezo, which is short for piezoelectric sensor. It will take any sort of input of kinetic energy and turn it into voltage through those two little wires there. Now, what you might notice is that it will not create a lot. Just to show you guys how little it actually makes, let's bring it over to a circuit build and kind of watch how it works. All right, here we have our piezoelectric. We have a bunch of LEDs here. Here we have our alligator clip. We put the color to the red wire. We put this on the black wire. And we attach the other two ends to our LED. Look at that. Let's take a look at what happens when I actually tap this piezo. That's not great. Something's missing. But what is it? I mean, that's what these are supposed to do, right? These turn taps into voltage. That's kind of the point. So if it doesn't work, does that mean I have a faulty one? Well, no, actually. It just means that we need a different kind of component in order to kind of fix the electricity. Back to the drawing board. Now we have our original breadboard. What we actually need to build for this is a system of diodes. Now, diodes are basically just ways to control the positive and negative flow of electricity through our current. Now, the problem with these is that these are technically sensors just as well as they are generators, which means that sometimes the power will actually flow back into them. What we need instead is a bunch of diodes in order to make it so that the power stays flowing in one direction and always goes into the LED instead. Input our friendly neighborhood piezo buzzer. Now that we've constructed our diode bridge, you'll notice that when we tap it, it creates enough electricity to spark up that LED. This is us turning something like a pen dropping from the sky and hitting it. Or maybe like a giant coming in and setting down a cup on it. It turns all of these things into actual energy that we can use in the LED. The difference between the suit and our piezo right now is that even though when I attack, quote unquote, attack our circuit, it'll make this kind of blinking light. It's not perfect. We need a way to store it. So let's take this circuit with our diode bridge and our piezo, and let's attach a switch and a capacitor. All right, look at that. That's pretty good. The way this works is, notice that we still have the same diode bridge here in the corner. That's still going to direct all the power coming in from our piezo. But now, instead of flowing straight into the LED, it's actually going to go into this. This is a capacitor. A capacitor is kind of like a tiny battery that can charge up really fast and also discharge or dump out all of its power really fast. All of that is controlled by this button switch. So we tap it a whole bunch, it charges up our capacitor, bam, and it releases on our command. All right, now it's time to put it in a glove. Let's get started. And everyone, I think we just made our working Black Panther glove prop. I'm gonna turn out all the lights and we're gonna see how this works. Focused on me. All right, everyone, here's how it's gonna go. We're building up our capacitor energy in here. Notice how there are no batteries on this, just this kind of like little shield plate. We're gonna tap it a bunch. Our capacitor is gonna fill. I'm gonna hold it up to the screen, and that is...
Whoa.
I'm Jonathan Lee. This has been our STEM lab today, and I hope that you guys have a great night. I'll see you around. Thanks for watching. If you guys like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Click over here for more videos that I've done, and over here for more stuff from our channel. I'll see you in the classroom.